Good morning, all of you. My name is Gaspik. I study in class 5th A and my room is 4. Today I am going to make a bird's nest. Let's start. And what we need is a bottle, a flower and leaves, some sparkles and cutter, glue, brush and watercolor, a bird and a rope. Let's start. First, we have to cut this bottle. Now, we will color this bottle. Now, I will paint this. I will paint this half with red. Now, I will be sticking some of this glitter.